Okay, be very gentle. Okay, yeah, make sure you clean the dust time to time. Let's open the cfexpress card. $199 on Amazon for 1 terabyte. Carefully encased. Comes with the warranty card as well. So let's leave them inside. Let's open the card. So here is your AV Pro. It's heavy. The other cards that I recommend, Sony Tough card is also really nice. It's recommended. So let's put this in. So referring to the manual, if you look here, there are some terminals in the CF card, and there are terminals inside the camera. So make sure this side goes in first. There's a small latch that will release the card. Put it back. So now we have we have the battery that's being charged. We have the card fully inserted. The only thing that's missing is SD card here. Let's try on cfexpress card only. And we also don't have a lens to try the camera. Go to this link, usa.canon.com support, okay, and download the latest drivers, software and product manuals. And you can use this Type-C cable to connect to the laptop and do the software upgrades. Okay, make sure you make use of this cable. Let's see if our battery is charged and try our camera out. My battery is somewhat charged. It is asking to set date, time, and let me zoom in and all that. Okay, let's set it up. So after setting up the date, it says card 1 cannot be accessed. Reinstate, change the card, or format the card with camera. Let's try that. The reinserting. So basically I did not insert any SD card, so it might be something to do with SD card. Let's try to insert an SD card. I inserted an SD card and let's close it and see if error goes away. Card 1 cannot be accessed. Reinsert, change the card, or format the card with camera. So I need to look at something. It's not working. Let's see if there are any bent pins. Let's zoom in, zoom out. Do you guys see any bent pins? I don't see anything wrong. There is something wrong with cfexpress card slot, so just insert SD card and let's see if you can make the camera work. As you can see, there is a low battery charge. So let's try a few shots. On my Canon EF lens, there is the lens now fully inserted. Now you can see it. Let's take some shots. I was able to take some shots. So the adapter is actually working. Autofocus is working. It is taking in burst mode. I did not select the burst mode. The battery died before I can show you some images. But basically I have problem with the cfexpress card. I need to reach to the Canon support and see if they can resolve it. So new camera, it's not recognizing cfexpress card. It's actually refurbished, so that might be the issue. Maybe I need to return it. I don't know. Let's see. Thank you for watching.